Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali in white frost tri-coat with HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, power running boards, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 7,000 miles on the odometer, 13-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, power sunroof, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PT3600A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.